long as you hold on to my back, we can do it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Just hold on to just hold on to the backside. I got it.
They got me. That's all the fucking take you out, dude. That was crazy.
I almost fucking fell over from it. That's good. So were you just cleaning your seat, or were you actually cleaning the bike?
Cleaning the bike.
Are you cleaning the bike?
We're not done yet.
Oh my gosh, so much effort.
I didn't know what I thought you were cleaning your seat up.
All right, you ready? Let's go.
Better hold on.
Innocently gonna stroll down the damn river.
What happens?
And all this mud went in my face.
So what did Jackie say while y'all were driving? What were some of the
That's sexy, bro. That's sexy. Get the socks. That's sexy. Get the socks.
What's up, girls?
Hey.
Y'all want some of this?
Oh yeah, you can do it backwards. Here you go. Here you go.
So you can see the.
So we can see the alligator coming.
That's not funny.
Ooh, yeah.
In your boots?
Yeah. Hey, your boots. They're floating. Look. It's a floating.
So my socks.
This is a snake alligator proof, bro. We gotta do that. I need somebody to eat some damn boots. I'm gonna try to jump over there and help y'all get up out. Just don't leave me.
Oh no, bro, I ain't got no alligator proof socks on.
We need to go to the middle.
We need to go to the middle.
Oh, hell no, I ain't going to the middle. Go ahead. I'm good.
We're actually on our alligator hunt right now as we speak.
And we're the bait. See, Lay, you're great. You're in the middle. You and Martin aren't gonna die. Me and Steven,
We're done. Actually, whoever's last usually the one that gets it.
ah, damn. That's me, bro. Look at this, guys. I'm on y'all now. Come on.
It's moving over there.
And I done y'all.
Only if we can put some paddles on there.
Yeah, no
You've been
shit.
out by now.
Golly. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
you dropped your ice cream cone.
Hey, bro, you don't fit. God
Yeah,
damn.
he does.
He'll make himself fit.
Bro, you put together a puzzle when you drive that son
God dang.
Because you see over there,
Yeah.
bet you I can throw a football over.
Shut the fuck up. Whoa!
backwards.
I don't know. Shit. Are you okay over there? Oh, y'all look so cute right there.
Just stay there forever.
Oh shit, I'm stuck.
There's all them little catfish again.
Is that a water moccasin?
Nah, them catfish.
Hey, see y'all close.
All right, you want to get your other winch out of the way? All right, let's go. That's good.
You need to go back some more?
No, it's just shoved up in there. Hold on one second.
Oh, there you go, you got it.
Piece of
Still gotta get your plate
shit.
back up.
What are the chances of that happening again? Oh shit.
What is?
And I see oil leaking.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, put a
I
big
see a
ass hole.
hole, yeah.
Big ass hole right
But that's
there.
where you got your oils out of your box.
Damn, that sucks.
They poked a hole in your air box?
Yeah, straight through.
Oh my God.
What
Damn.
kind of
Flat out.
bullshit is
Put a
that?
hole. You better keep your ass out the water now.
Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. It might have gone through my air filter too, but
Oh my God. That, oh, I feel so good. They thought I was 50, bro. Huh? What the fuck? Thought I was 50, come on.
God.
No,
I'm also older than you.
a lot of people older than me.
He's not gonna pull you out in the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, y'all don't fuck that.
Shorty, I messed up.
That's so fucking.
Put that thing in there. You okay with that? You need help? You good?
When I seen him kick off, that's when she slid.
Are you all muddy on the back? Hey, you can still see her ass print in there.
Now you can have fun the rest of the day.
Yeah.
You ain't gotta worry about getting wet.
Doesn't she look like she's having fun right now?
She look like that shitload. On the way up here, they had this little Indian guy at a convenience store, the Chevron, asked me how long I was.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, how long are you?
I wanted to say 12 inches, bud. Yeah. Appreciate you asking.
Hold on.
Ready?
God damn, that thing's a fucking monster.
Like that?
Barely got it. Fuck. Careful, buddy. It's alright. It's alright.
You alright?
Damn, buddy. No, I'm good. There it is, buddy. Woo! Damn. Rocky! Damn, buddy. Oh, shit. Hey, your wheel popped off your bead. Nice. Bitch!
You got a great watches out
I don't know what to. I don't know where the fuck we're at.
Bill.
It's this. It's this way. Follow me. I'll take us back to camp. Don't worry. Ah, motherfucker. I don't know where we're at. I'm just driving. It did a loop. I don't know. I got lost. I went the wrong way.
This is the way back to camp.
I just wanted to make sure we all had it. We still have it, everybody. It just did a loop.
Hey, you said this was the way, right?
Minor miscalculation. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My fault. My fault. Whoa! It's not done yet. What happened, buddy? Are y'all two racing or what?